So guys, this is the first video in which I am going to show you how I interfaced 2-3 modules in a single program by using Embedded C for making a automation thing or for making a project. So you can say it's in like of a very kind of small project because like I just have interface, LCD screen, keypad module and the servo motor in a single project, in a single firmware in a totally embedded C program for AVR microcontrollers, in which by pressing the angle on by the keypad it will be displayed on the LCD screen and accordingly my servo motor will move the angle. So this is the code. Okay, the code I have made using the codes which I have made for keypad, LCD screen and servo motor individually, and then integrate them by using their specific functions according to my need for this project. Okay, so now let's just build up solution and Arduino cable 14. Okay, so now program is uploaded. Let me just refresh it. Okay, so enter angle for servo motor between 0 to 180 degrees. So if I press 12 and this star key is like a enter. Okay, so my servo motor moves 12 degree from its like from 0 to 12. So now if I like say write 90 and then enter, so it will move 90 degrees from the 0 degree angle. So now this is how you can control your servo motors. Like if you have a machine, gimbal, CNC machine in your, we can just by pressing the buttons. Like here I'm setting an angle, so 23 angle, so it will move 23 degree angles. So now let's say if I write 100, okay, so enter, so it will move 100 degree angle. Now if I let's say write 170, okay, so it moves 170 degree. So that's how you can do the thing. That's it for now. I'm just want to show you this my integration of how I integrate 2-3 modules in a single project.